Hey guys, what's up? Reg here, and I have with me 3 boxes of Google Wi-Fi, care of PLDT Home Fiber, and we're going to unbox these things today. What is Google Wi-Fi? What is it used for? Let me tell you my experience with our PLDT Home Fiber at home. It's we've had this subscription, our 50 Mbps home fiber subscription for the past 2 years, and it's great. It's really great. All right, I'm enjoying it. However, there are certain parts in our house where I'm unable to maximize the 50 Mbps speed of our PLDT Home Fiber. Our modem is placed at the center of the house, which is located in our living room, and sometimes I am unable to get the desired speed whenever I'm in my bedroom or my other bedroom upstairs. The same thing with my mom, who always loves to watch YouTube on her phone. She's able to watch YouTube whenever she's at our living room where the modem is located. However, whenever she's at her bedroom upstairs, she's unable to watch YouTube without any interruptions. What are the factors of these, inconsistencies with the speed? One of them could be the walls. They would block the signal coming from the Wi-Fi modem. So yeah, it can still pass through, but it's not as fast as you can expect it to be. And this caused some latency issues. Like whenever I play games in my bedroom, sometimes I experience latency issues with the games that I play. It's because of the walls that hinders the connection from passing through. Google Wi-Fi can definitely help everyone in our household to enjoy the full capabilities of our PLDT Home fiber connection. By setting up these 3 Google Wi-Fi devices, basically I just need to place this in strategic areas in our house. Wherever we stay in our house, we'll be able to enjoy the fast PLDT home fiber speeds. So I'm going to unbox this now, and I'll be setting this up later in our household, and I'm going to show you how it's done. But for the meantime, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Alright, so we're going to unbox one of these Google Wi-Fi devices because they all have the same contents anyway. Okay, so basically when you subscribe to a PLDT Home Google Wi-Fi plan, you'll be able to have unlimited fiber, and aside from of course unlimited fiber, you're going to have 3 Google Wi-Fi devices, and these are the 3 boxes that I'm talking about. And of course, you will also be able to get a free landline with unlimited mobile calls up to 5 smart Sun or TNT numbers. So this is a good deal. You can get more details by going to the PLDT Home website, which you should be able to see on your screens right now. And I strongly suggest that you start subscribing to a PLDT Home Google Wi-Fi plan in order for you to take advantage of this amazing plan with the Google Wi-Fi package. So here we are. We're going. There's a sleeve, a Google Wi-Fi sleeve on the box. We're going to remove the sleeve, and there's a very simplistic white box with the G logo. Alright, here it is, folks. Google Wi-Fi. So the Google Wi-Fi is a thick cylindrical device, and it has a G logo on top, and at the center is you can see a thick lining here. That's actually this would actually light up whenever it's turned on. Power button is found here, and LAN ports are found here underneath. So this one is the USB Type C port, where you will insert the Type C cable to power this thing on. You'll only need one device to be connected with a modem. So one of the RJ45 cables will be plugged in here and plugged into the modem, and the other two, they don't need to be plugged in to the modem, because they'll have to be placed in other parts of the house. So this is the only thing that we're going to plug in with the PLDT Home Fibr modem. Other things that we can find inside the box are, these are quick starter guide and some documentations here, and yes, alright, here he goes. Yeah, this is the LAN cable that I was talking about earlier, and the Type C charger or power source. So those are the contents inside the Google Wi-Fi, and I don't have to unbox the other two, but instead you will see in the next video on how we're going to install Google Wi-Fi devices in our household. And it's gonna be a very easy task. Anybody, even a 9-year-old child, can do on her own. So please like our episode for today. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions about Google Wi-Fi, shoot these questions in our comment section. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to a PLDT Home Google Wi-Fi plan on pldthome.com/fiber.